Well, it indicates here this satellite picture, menacing mass of cloud with some rain to come first, particularly for northern Britain. This fairly deep area of low pressure bringing some windy weather as well before it sweeps northwards. High pressure builds in from midweek onwards, and the good news is it looks set to stay with us through into next weekend at this stage, so getting sunnier and getting warmer. Now it'll feel warm enough in the sunshine today if you're in the sunshine in eastern areas, 17 to 19, with losing that northerly wind and picking up a strong southerly instead in the north and west. So here pollen levels fairly low, but they're still high in southern Britain, and it's no surprise really. There's the sunshine, still plenty of it around, strong sunshine too, but the clouds building in the west, and that's already bringing us some rain in across Northern Ireland, as you can see, and that will continue its progress into western Scotland this afternoon, and by this evening we'll have a few spots of drizzle turning up around the Irish Sea coast, but still some sunshine, evening sunshine hanging on in the east. But overnight, well, the rain really will set in across northwest Scotland, more cloud slipping its way southwards and eastwards too, gales as well in the far northwest, but with cloudy skies, a much milder night tonight, particularly in the north. But it doesn't mean quite a cloudy start to the day tomorrow. A windy and wet day for many western parts of Scotland, that heavy rain slipping into Northern Ireland in the afternoon. And we may even find a bit more cloud and the odd trickle of rain here and there turning up further east. But by and large, the further south and east you are, well, the warmer and drier it should be. But we are concerned that for western Highland Scotland over the next couple of days, we could see some substantial amounts of rainfall, particularly up on the hills. But I think by the end of the Wednesday, it will be clearing, fresher weather, showery weather arriving, and much brighter further south and east, with most parts dry by Thursday. And it's a very similar picture for many lowland parts of Europe, high pressure dominating, but instead it is a very unsettled picture, very stormy indeed through the Balkans and down into Greece. So just to reiterate all that, George, if you're heading off to Europe, it's going to be very unsettled in the east, much drier further west. And here in the British Isles, it will get drier and warmer. But before it does, we do have some rain to come for northern Britain, particularly through Tuesday, early Wednesday, before it turns much drier and warmer. We could see temperatures into the mid-20s, I think, by the end of the week, particularly as those winds start to ease down. Certainly a warmer wind direction for most of us. Now back to George.